Every time you turn the key in your turbo SUV, a microscopic battle begins inside your engine. Steel rubs against steel, pistons slide in cylinders, camshafts rotate under immense pressure, and the only thing preventing catastrophic wear is a thin, invisible layer of oil. This film is measured in microns, yet it carries the full weight of protecting a $10,000 engine from irreversible damage. The question isn't just, am I using oil? But rather, is the oil I'm using actually doing its job? Today, SUV Squad dives into the raw numbers, comparing the top oils on the market, from Amsoil to Mobil 1, Pennzoil, Valvoline, and Castrol, to reveal what your turbo SUV really needs. Separating marketing from mechanics, which we are diving into independent lab data and thousands of real-world reports to see which oils truly protect engines and which are paying for premium branding. The investigation focused on 5 major industry brands: Amsoil Signature Series, Mobil 1 Extended Performance, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic, and Castrol Edge. All were tested in the standard 5W30 viscosity grade for consistency. Why independent data matters? Independent oil studies are rare. Many comparison tests follow ASM procedures and use legitimate third-party labs. Yet they are often funded by the oil companies themselves. While scientifically accurate, the designs often favor the sponsor's specific additive chemistry. To find unbiased real-world performance, we turn to used oil analysis reports submitted by thousands of vehicle owners to labs like Blackstone Laboratories. These consumer-submitted samples reflect actual driving conditions, tracking engine wear trends, and surface integrity across thousands of miles. The heart of engine longevity. At the core of engine durability is the contact between metal surfaces. Pistons slide in cylinders, camshaft lobes rotate under pressure, and journal bearings endure extreme loads. This is where an oil's protective film matters most. The ASMD 41724 ball wear test measures an oil's ability to maintain integrity under friction. Steel balls are rubbed together under a set load for 1 hour, and the wear scar diameter indicates protection efficiency. Amsoil Signature Series often records wear scars as low as 0.35 millimeters, claiming 75% more protection than industry standards. Standard retail synthetics typically measure between 0.4 and 0.45 millimeters. Mobil 1 Extended Performance averages 0.44 millimeters, competitive but slightly higher. These differences do not automatically predict engine failure, but demonstrate different approaches to maintaining protective surface films. High temperature, high shear viscosity. High temperature, high shear viscosity, measured by ASMD 4683, gauges how well an oil resists flow in the narrowest, hottest gaps of a running engine. A higher HTHS value indicates a thicker protective film at 150 degrees Celsius. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, which uses natural gas to liquid technology, maintains exceptional HTHS stability due to its inherently uniform molecular structure. Used oil analysis reports provide a practical counterpoint to lab tests. Thousands of consumer-submitted samples indicate that iron, lead, and copper levels remain similar across all 5 premium brands when oils are changed at recommended intervals. This suggests that while Amsoil or Pennzoil may show technical superiority in a lab setting, Valvoline Advanced Synthetic or Castrol Edge provide more than sufficient protection for the average driver. Wear versus real-world performance. Although Amsoil and Pennzoil demonstrate strong lab metrics, real-world data shows that Valvoline Advanced and Castrol Edge deliver consistent, predictable protection. Valvoline focuses on fighting engine-killing contaminants, while Castrol Edge's fluid titanium technology reinforces oil films under pressure, reducing wear during high-load events. Cold weather performance. In freezing conditions, an oil's chemical composition dictates whether the engine receives immediate lubrication or suffers from damaging dry friction at startup. Cold cranking tests, ASMD 5293, measure viscosity under sub-zero conditions. Amsoil Signature Series frequently records the lowest viscosity at -30 degrees Celsius. Castrol Edge, on the other hand, often measures near the industry maximum, requiring more starter torque and potentially increasing wear on batteries and starters over multiple winters. Mobile One extended performance remains versatile, performing well from extreme heat to extreme cold, while Pennzoil Ultra Platinum's natural gas-derived base oil provides a slight advantage in extreme low temperatures. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic has a slightly higher pour point, but still meets the needs of most continental climates. This demonstrates that, as long as the oil meets API J300 standards, practical differences in engine wear may be negligible for well-maintained vehicles. High temperature and oxidation stability. Engine stress and high temperatures create a gradual thickening of oil, which can lead to sludge formation. The NOAC Volatility Test, ASMD 5800, measures evaporation at 250 degrees Celsius. Amsoil Signature Series benchmarks at 6.7%, demonstrating exceptional thermal stability. Mobile One extended performance records 8.8%. You're still within API SP limits, but indicating a formulation prioritizing general use rather than extreme evaporation control. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently falls in the 7 to 8% range, benefiting from the pure synthesized GTL molecules that resist burn-off better than crude-derived oils. The TOST 33C test simulates the extreme conditions of a turbocharger shaft, measuring deposits formed on rods heated up to 480 degrees Celsius. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic produces low deposit scores, often near 7 to 8 milligrams, while Castrol Edge maintains deposits below 10 milligrams using titanium additives. These results are critical for turbocharged engines or vehicles that frequently idle or tow, where heat soak can become a major threat to engine longevity. Chemical reserve and total base number. When considering long drain intervals, the chemical reserve of an oil becomes essential. The total base number, measured by ASMD 2896, indicates the oil's capacity to neutralize acids produced during combustion. Amsoil Signature Series often starts with a TBN of 12.5, roughly 28% higher than competitors, supporting claims of 25,000-mile drain intervals. Mobile One extended performance generally maintains a TBN around 10.1, and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum around 11.2. Valvoline Advanced and Castrol Edge typically range from 8.8 to 9.0. Used oil analysis shows that while Amsoil begins with a higher TBN, Mobile One EP maintains a more stable chemical reserve over time. Valvoline and Castrol remain well within safe ranges for standard intervals, proving that extreme TBN is critical only for extended service or severe driving conditions. Efficiency and engine compatibility. Modern engines, including hybrids and high RPM designs, demand more than simple wear protection. The Sequence 6D test measures an oil's contribution to fuel efficiency, quantifying reductions in internal drag. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum excels due to its uniform GTL-based stock, reducing internal friction and providing potential fuel economy gains of 1.5 to 2%. Mobile One extended performance performs closely, and real-world usage confirms that these gains persist deep into the oil's drain interval. Foaming characteristics are another factor in engine efficiency. In high-speed operation, oil can aerate due to violent motion, trapping heat and reducing hydraulic pressure. Valvoline Advanced incorporates anti-foaming agents to collapse bubbles almost instantly, while Castrol Edge's titanium additives strengthen the film against both solid contact and air pocket formation, ensuring precise operation of variable valve timing solenoids. Understanding oil end-of-life. Oil reaches the end of its useful life for drivers in extreme sub-zero climates or those pushing drain intervals beyond 15,000 miles. Amsoil Signature Series and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum remain the technical leaders. Their low wear scars and high TBN provide a margin of safety that standard synthetics cannot match on paper. For the mainstream driver, predictable and consistent protection matters more than chasing extreme specifications. Mobile One Extended Performance and Valvoline Advanced offer robust and stable additive packages, proven by real-world oil analysis to safely cover 7,500 to 10,000 miles of service. Mobile One, in particular, maintains chemical reserve stability longer than some competitors, starting at higher initial additive concentrations. So next time you pick up that premium synthetic or reach for the off-the-shelf bottle, Remember, it's not the marketing, it's the data that matters. Whether you're chasing extreme protection or dependable everyday performance, knowing what's in your engine can save thousands. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe to SUV Squad, and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest SUV engine insights, oil tests, and maintenance tips. Share your experiences with synthetic versus conventional oils in the comments. We want to hear which brand keeps your turbo SUV running like new.